get something to eat over there or something. Or just something to throw over, you know.
Okay.
So, Clearwater today. We're gonna catch footage. Me and Ashton. We're gonna post it on his YouTube channel. And we're gonna see how many hits we can get. Hey Ashton, how you doing? I like that Bo Jared bonnet.
I'm about to push it today. I'm about to push it.
What kind we got there? I thought this was one. This kind that was on there.
Main car.
That's one they had. That's one I got.
I'm glad I didn't give you but a little bit.
Trouble. See you, Cardi. See you, Cardi Boo. We'll be back. Be good, okay? Be a good girl. Y'all be good girls, okay? Remember that old Case and Joe faded pictures?
Yeah.
When they first came on, I was like, faded pictures from a distance. I was like, hold on, this what the hell is this? Yo, we set up. Tasha eating chips. And chilling with a hat on. Got that beach hat. Say hey, Tasha. What's up, Ash? What you?
I put on these loaves.
On the lopes. On the lopes. Yeah, got the lopes on. Oh yeah. Where Ashton at? He right out there. In the building. Say what's up to the GoPro, EJ. What's up? We about the GoPro, man. Say what up. Say what up to the GoPro, man. What up? Oh, there we go. Oh, those are nice. Where you get those from? Oh man. Are they like you got them like from a specialty store, like like from a specialty shop, or?
It is.
Okay. Those are. Oh man, that's nice. Yo, that thing. Yo, hey, y'all know I'm gonna edit this thing. Hey, Tasha, say hey. Yeah, gotcha, shouty. Throw it. Throw it, Ashton, throw it.